Sup guys, Cyberpunk here, or to be exact Max from Biodream Studios, and welcome to the new third update of our low poly first person shooter game. I should really stop saying first person shooter game, just say FPS. Never mind. So, welcome. This update will be a little bit shorter than usual because I've added some stuff, nothing that much. So let's start. The first thing is of course the new map. This map will be like a main menu map, so I'll explain it in a second. Let's first make a detour for the map. So this is the entrance. Never mind, we'll ignore the entrance, it's not really fun. This part will be the vendor part. What do I mean by vendor? I'll be adding new NPCs from which you could buy new attachments, new guns, new skins, perks, and a lot of other stuff. This is the chill part, like for not doing anything, just being bored. This is the sleeping part. Never mind that. So yeah, that's a little tour of this new map. So yeah, let's start with the new textures. As you can see, I've added new textures, or to be exact, skin for our arms. I don't know, it's more suitable for this game because it's like a apocalyptic zombie game, but every skin, to be exact, every hand skin will match the player model, and it will look nice. So yeah. The second thing is the camera system. Yes, I've implemented, scripted, and made a camera system. So what do I mean by a camera system? I mean this. So as you can see, the camera now follows the arms, and it looks more better and more natural. So let's start with the idle animation. So this is the idle animation, this is the walking animation. As you can see, it's much better than the static camera. This is the shooting animation. As you can see, it gives that a little kick, so it looks more realistic and better. This is the reloading animation, and here goes the running animation. The running animation is really bad, and it gives me motion sickness. So here we go. As you can see, it's, well, bad. So yeah, we'll ignore the running animation for now until I fix it. So let's go on our Glock. This is our Glock, my favorite gun in this game. I don't know, I just adore it, really like it. And yeah, let's start with the idle animation. And this is the shooting animation, the reload animation, and the running animation. So bad. It has to be fixed in the next update for sure. I've upgraded the aim down sights. I've moved the positions so it looks much better now. It's aligned, well, not really aligned with the SCAR-L, but yeah, you get my point. So this is the aim down sights for the SCAR-L. This is the aim down sights for the Glock Tactical. Much better, to be honest. And of course the fourth weapon is the AWP. Well, it wasn't in the last update, but I've changed it because I don't know, I really like more the AWP than the 50 cal. And yeah, this is the scope or zoom in, which is much better than the last one. The next thing is the crosshair. So yeah, I've finally added the crosshair in the game. It was in the introduction, then I messed up the crosshair and I had to redone it from scrap. So the crosshair has 3 different states. The first is the idle state, the second is the walking state, and the third is the running state, which I really don't know should I show because it gives me so much motion sickness. But hey, let's go. This is the running state. Yeah, really bad. So yeah, that's it practically. Oh yes, I forgot, almost forgot. I said, I think in the second update, yeah, in the second update, that I'll be adding lags into the game. So when we look on 3 seconds down below, we'll see that we're not floating anymore and it's not just a blank space. So yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1. We have our legs, which is nice, to be honest. So the legs are really basic right now. They only have like a walking and running animation, and they just will turn around. But for the first implement in the game, it's okay. And in the next updates or next updates, it will be fixed. So yeah, this is the walking, the running, and this is the walking animation, and this is with a gun. This is the, oh my god, running animation. So yeah, that's it for this update. I hope you liked it, because I enjoyed making it, and as always, give me some support, comment. Oh yes, I almost forgot. Should I leave this camera system or should I remove it? Write down in the comments, should I remove it or should I leave it? If you're watching this on Reddit, thank you. And comment in the Reddit comment section. So yeah. Thanks for the huge support that I've got for this for the introduction and the second update, and of course any suggestions and opinions are really awesome and would be awesome and good. And as always, guys, see you in the next update.